pananampalatay sa atin ay anan. Why is the Philippines open, or if not all the time? Why is the Philippines always ranked as one of the most corrupt countries in the whole world? Yan, sagutin niyo ako niyan. Nagpapakalinis kayo? Aba kung malinis pala ang mga opisyalis natin at malinis pala sa buong bansa, eh bakit palagi tayong nililista ng Transparency International as one of the most corrupt countries in the world? Magtitinginan tayo? Sino kaya dito? Yan ang unang punto ko. That is the problem with this country. We're all for honest government, and yet the world condemns us as one of the most corrupt countries in the world. That's why it is difficult to win in any international election, in any international campaign, because the Philippines, among others, has a reputation of being a corrupt country. Isip ng iba, kung corrupt ang bayan na yan, walang matinong lalabas dyan. Walang matinong ibumunga yan. Bawat sabay sa inyo, walang sala, tungkol sa salden. Bigyan nyo ako ng sapag buhay. Panginoon, bigyan mo ako ng sapag buhay. At imbestigahin ko lahat. Isa-isa. Dito sa Senado, sa House of Representatives, bigyan natin. Pati sarili ko, imbestigahin ko.
Order, please.
Ang daming loopholes ng salden na yan. Ba't hindi kayo umimik noon? Ba't ngayon, bigla na lang kayong so exercise about the loophole? Well, if that is the case, then let us all just put our assets in dollars and know the purpose of the SALN will be perverted or corrupted. That is true. But what about all the other loopholes? Bakit ngayon lang kayo nagalit tungkol sa loophole na yan? Bakit doon pa? Dahil yung iba sa atin, ginagamit yung mismong loophole